setting up the crabbing. What?
Andito na naman kami, fishing for today. Where are we?
We are in
Pitwater.
water, man.
We're at Pitwater.
We cannot try this crabbing
Yeah.
technique.
So today is Thursday. Time check.
Time check is 8 o'clock.
What time is it? 8 o'clock?
8:30 na.
8 a.m. So target for today is
Crabs.
crabs and jubies. See how it goes.
Woohoo!
Sana swertein uli.
Tayo.
Ah?
Tayo lang fisherman.
So the weather is not too bad,
Shit.
although it's a little bit windy later. Otherwise, all good. Okay. Catch you later.
Catch you later, alligator.
Step
Ganda,
one,
ano?
wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two,
Wala yan,
get some good, some food.
Hindi mo naman
Step
may
three, grow hard about what you
Ayan,
want.
si Richard
Step four,
nagse-set up.
everybody just do your thing.
Makakahuli ba yan, bro?
100% brother.
Ha?
100%.
100%.
Hindi na ako uuwi pag ano. Iwanan mo na ako dun sa
Ayos.
pag-spell.
Sana swertihin.
Sana sigurado brother. Be positive. Be positive. If you tell to yourself, you can do it, you can catch it, and you want some
Talaba.
talaba?
Pwede, ano?
Talaba. May pangalan naman to.
Yan, may pangalan niya.
Wala pangalan na
Education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be
4 meters.
wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good
Oh, yeah.
day.
Alright. Second
Ups and downs, just like every day
crab.
season, yeah. Sometimes I'm high, sometimes I'm
See how it
breathing
goes.
low. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yeah.
Ayan, bugsak.
Negative thoughts and poison the ride. Head full of flies, so here come the
Oh,
clouds.
sige, bro.
They'll never stop, unless I
Okay.
fly. All the bad, feeling good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken. I got patience, one day at a time. It's how you operate and cadence. So flow,
Okay,
you
let's go,
properly
let's
show
go.
yourself the foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation.
maraming nahuli ka na po.
Ito na nga ang spot natin.
Life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake
Apat.
up, today's gonna be a good
Crab
day.
truck namin. Apat.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two,
Ayan.
grow hard about what you want. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Kaya pwede natin i-under to. Lagyan mo na lang.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Ano yan?
All be okay. I move on each and every day.
Sige, take your time. Take your time.
Past days, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But I'll be okay.
Alisin mo natin. Alisin mo muna yung rod. Baka makasabit si Richard. Bitin ko. New South Wales. Shit. New South Wales, Valley 30. 30 centimeters. Pasok to, pasok. Pasok to. What is that? Head shake. Could be snapper. Oh, what's this? Taylor. Oh. Taylor. Pass?
Mas yan bro. Ilan ba Taylor?
Oh, yung listahan mo. Yung sa... Siguraduhin mo po. Hindi, yun sa ilalim yung ruler, ayun. Hindi, yun sa dilaw. May listahan ng Taylor doon. Kahina naman naman ako. Kahina. Kung iba yan kahit nakapikit pa isang mata, kayang kaya.
30.
Ha?
30 oh.
30? Tignan ko nga. Oh, sige. Titignan ko ngayon kung 30. Let's say Taylor 30. Alright. Pass.
Hindi na ba pwedeng mag-fishing sa Windang Bridge?
Hindi ko alam, bro. Hindi naman ako nagpi-fishing doon. Doon ako sa either sa beach o kaya doon sa yung platform, yung mga bato. Aba sunod-sunod na. Oh, nakawala. Hindi. Kawala?
Oo, pag kinain mo yung
Sayang. Parang medyo malaki yan. Oh, Taylor again.
Taylor, bumabaha ng Taylor. Tignan mo yung ngipin oh bro. Ayan oh. Ninangat-ngat yun oh. Pipigtasin yung tanong. Ayun, tignan mo.
Bro.
Mabuti ng 40 pounds ako. Kung 20 lang to oh. Pinira na naman.
Taylor, ayan o, 30 centimeters. Let's see, let's have a look. Nguso dito
Ako ba iikot ha?
para sigurado. Uhulihin kita, mawawalan ka ng driver. Ayos. Ay! Putang na.
Ay, galing dugo. Taylor.
Madugo.
Madugo si Taylor.
What's that? That's an undersize.
Undersized Taylor, brother.
So what you wanna do with that?
Piece and put it back.
All right.
Put it back.
Baka nag... Oh. Pinaandar na yan yung makina. Iniba yung kuwan, ano, yung... Oo. Kala ko sasalpok eh. Kinantok siguro yung bugok na yan. Inantok yan. Kita, malapit na siya. Konting-konti na lang. Kaloko. Oh, putang. Oo, hindi. Okay lang. Ay, putya. Ay, putang na. Laki nun ha. Putya. Butterfly. Sayang. Nawala oh. Nawala yung hook. Yung hook lang ang nawala. Ah. Ooh, big one. Oh yeah.
Yan na yung hinihintay mo, brother.
Oo. Oh, mawawala ang putang niya, mawawala.
Ayan, oh. Ay, mauubos na yung ano, oh.
Oo nga.
Yan naman na
Ayan ah. Oo, mahigpit na yan bro eh. Oo. Ayan, ayan, bumibigay na, bumibigay na. He's giving up, he's giving up. He's giving up. Ah! Ah, shit. Again. Ah. Ah, we lost it second time. Oo nga eh. Naubos.
Ayos ba yung pagkakahian?
Oh, pinagbuhol-buhol mo na eh. Malakas talaga. Eh, ang laki na ng fishing rod mo to eh. Baka pating bro eh. Baka pating.
Layo, oh.
Sayang. Whew. Again. Sa nagkamali. Ala, bumigay. This is already 60 pounds. Ngipin, palagay ko pating bro. Makon eh oh.
Tinanggal, ano?
I think parang matulis yung matalim yung ngipin. Whew, second time. We lost it again. Anyway. Ano naman? Third time. Bumibigay yung linya bro eh. Bumibigay yung linya. Camera bro.
Di ba nagbibinig tayo ng budget galing sa NEP, yung National Expenditure Program. Yung NEP, ito po yung panukal.
Oh. Dali bro. Ups, ups. nyo yung iba. Iangat nyo. May head shake, may head shake. Ito yung kwan, yung ikon mo muna yung kwan, yung live bait.
Alisin mo yan. Dito ka.
Alisin mo ito bro. Hindi, ito. Umiikot. Yung kwan mo bro, yung live bait mo. Iangat mo yan bro. Ano kaya to? Iangat mo yan, basta nakadip lang sa tubig. Kakabuhol-buhol.
Tas mo. Ay, pupunta sa ano, sa
Angkor.
Angkor mo ha.
Lapit na, andyan na. Malapit na bro. Ayan na, nakikita na.
Ah, fuck, that's okay. Pating. Yeah, it's alright, man. Gusto mong kunin ko yung ano?
Net.
Okay.
Si Elmer na lang.
Elmer. That's a good pating, man. That's a good pating.
Dito ka bro. Iyabang mo lang, baka mag-dive ka pa.
Ayan. Wow.
Ayan na.
That's my favorite, my pating. Woohoo!
Mamaya, isang ikot pa.
Ayan o.
Ayan, ikot mo na. Yan!
Yan!
Woo! Alright, angat mo na, dito.
Yes! Woo!
Pating!
Ipipilay ko na yan.
Baka matapakan niya yung malakad.
Hindi, yung ano nyo, ayan.
Alright!
Alright, bro. Wow! Good.
Ayos, it's a good fight. It's a good fight.
Wow, look at that. That's a good one.
Alright.
Yum.
Makakit ka bro. Alright! It's a big shark. Pinahirapan kami 3 times. Napagod. 3rd time, okay, nakuha na. Alright. Very heavy. Around probably 20 kilos. Alright, thank you.
Sarap niyan. Shark.
Titignan ko yung line ko, baka mamaya yung leader ko, baka mamaya ano na, palitin. Puta, kaswerte ko kung jupis na yun, ano? Swerte ko kung jupis sana yun. Hindi niya ako naisahan this time. Marami palagay ko yon. Yan. Oh bro, ikaw. Ay, ayan, nalagot na. Nalagot. Mas malaki siguro yun. Nalagot. Ala, pating uli yun.
It's running, man.
Ito ba? Ito ba?
Binitaw. Ay, putang na. Malaki yan, bro, malaki. It's a big one. Meron nga. It's a big one, bro.
Oo.
Hinahabol o andyan ba? Nahok ba?
Ay, pucha, kobya.
Kobya.
Yung net, bro. Net.
Bro,
Kobya. Putang. Ay, hinahabol.
hinahabol yun.
Hinahabol.
Uy, dyan.
Kobya ang putang na. Kobya.
Babalikan. Hindi, babalikan.
Wala akong lure eh. Akala ko na. Oh, sige lang.
Hindi kopya. Sarap na isda.
Kobya, bro. Huwag na muna tayong umalis. Akala mo bulig, pero malaki.
Ay, siya.
Kobya. Ay, nakuha. Nakuha. Kobya. Oche.
Yes!
Kobya.
Yung mga ano niya, yung dalawa lang.
Leto kayo. Masarap yan. Ito, okay lang? Ayos! Ano yan, bro? Ano yan?
Kobya, brother, kobya. Kobya.
Kobya ba yan? Kobya ba yan? Mahilig ka kasing mag-kobya nung elementary ka eh. Nagko-kobya ka eh. Yan na. Dito ka, bro. Akin na. Ay. Patay. Hammerhead, putulin mo na, bro. Hammerhead. Hammerhead, yeah, I'm sure. Elmer, kunin mo, ibabaw natin. Hammerhead ang puta. Hammerhead. Nangangagat yan, bro, ha? Matatalim ang ngipin yan. Hammerhead! Hindi. Protected. Ibaba mo lang dyan, bro.
Baba mo.
Hammerhead. Ayun, natanggal na sa pako.
Ay, pakiyan na. Natanggal ba?
Natanggal na. Sa buntot.
Sa buntot sa ulo.
Hindi, yung flies, bro, yun. At paplaising ko na lang muna. Hawakan mo lang dyan yan. Huwag mong bibi natin. Huwag mong bibinat.
Ano sigurado ka ha? Ano yan? Protected.
Protected to, bro.
Gusto mo video?
Oo, oo.
Bagay pala.
Oh, video. What's that? What's that? Kabayong buntat.
Hammerhead!
Hammerhead. Asa yung mata? Yung mata. Ayun oh. Oh. Kakagating ka. Nangangagat yan. Agresibo yan.
Kagatin yung...
Oo.
Hammerhead!
Hawakan para.
Mga sige, kiss na ako eh. Let it go! Jay mo na lang. Wow!
Ayun! Ayun! Hammerhead, ayun yung mata oh. Ayun yung mata, ayun yung mata. Ayun yung mata.
Kiss kayo.
Ayun yung mata.
Kiss.
Hammerhead. Sige, bato mo bro. Woo! Bye. Makakainin ka ng pating dyan. Fish on! Uy! Putang na! Malaki yun! Fish on! Uy! Putang na! Ang laki na bro! Kingfish! 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 Kingfish!